Hey guys, I'm Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have 4 Dollar Tree DIYs farmhouse theme. So let's go ahead and get started with these DIYs. So for the first one, I am making a farmhouse riser with this frame. It was a Valentine's DIY, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and use this because I really like the rustic look of the frame and I don't have to paint it. And I'm also going to be using these wood stems from Dollar Tree. To cover up both sides, I am using some craft sticks. You can pick them up from Dollar Tree. I'm just checking to see how many I need and then I will stain them. I did stain 8 craft sticks for each side, which is 16, but I only ended up using 14. So you don't have to stain them. If you have some brown paint or if you like this natural wood color, you can leave it like that. I guess I lost the clip of me staining these, but I just stained them really quickly and now I'm cutting the ends off and I'll show you guys that. It's real simple and the Dollar Tree craft sticks are really easy to cut through, and then I'm going to place them on top of my hot glue gun. I'm done with this side and now I'm going to turn it around and finish the bottom part of it. So the part that I just finished on the opposite side is going to be the main part where I put stuff on top of, because where it says our adventure is made out of glass, and that was part of the original sign, so it's more sturdy. Alright, all done with the craft sticks, and like I said, I only used 14. To finish off the riser, I'm using 4 of the wood stems, and then I'm just using my hot glue gun to glue them on. So this next DIY is really simple. I have some Dollar Tree clay pots and ribbon, and all I'm going to do is place some of this ribbon on the top rim of the clay pots. These clay pots are really small and they come in a 3-pack at Dollar Tree, but they also have a bigger clay pot in a 2-pack. I'm leaving the clay pots as is without painting them because I think the ribbon stands out. But you could also paint these black or maybe a gray, even white, and I think it would look really cute as well. Lastly, I'm using this greenery to place inside of here. I actually have this from Christmas. When I went to pick up some florals for Christmas at Hobby Lobby, they had these in the Christmas section. Doesn't even look Christmas to me, but they were really cheap, so I decided to pick them up and I really like them. So I'm just gonna cut some pieces off and set them in here without floral foam. For the next one, I have more Dollar Tree wood stems and ribbon, and then I have this Dollar Tree cutting board. So what I'm gonna do is use these stamps that I just recently purchased from Walmart, and I am going to stamp the wood stems and spell out home on them. First, I'm gonna stamp these, and I'm using my jet black apple barrel paint to do this because if you watched Thursday's video, I mentioned that I didn't pick up a stamp pad. So this is real easy to do. Just paint it on and stamp it, and it shows up really well on here. So now I'm just gonna glue these on here with my hot glue, and then lastly we'll add some of that ribbon to the top. Once I have the bow in its shape, I'm just adding hot glue in the middle, and I cut off a smaller piece to wrap around it, and on the back I'm going to add another dab of glue. And right here, I'm just cutting off the excess ribbon. So here it is, and this would honestly look really nice on some farmhouse hooks. For the last DIY, I am using this Bless Our Nest round farmhouse sign made out of MDF from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna leave it as is, as far as I'm not painting it or anything like that, and I'm just gonna add some of this ribbon and more of that greenery that I used earlier. I've been having this ribbon for a long time, and I'm just gonna use it up on this because I really like the chevron look. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove some of the stems to add to this. At first, I was gonna glue them down first and then add the ribbon on top, but I ended up doing it the opposite way and adding the ribbon first, or the bow first, and then added the greenery around it. I'm making this bow the same way I did the last bow for the cutting board. Then I'm going to wrap a bunch of twine around it in the middle just to give it a rustic look. And please excuse my big ball of twine. It's all tangled, but I don't want to throw it away.
My whole world has changed since baby, I got you. So wake me up inside, wake me up inside. Our whole world will change while stepping into.
This has a piece of rope at the top where you can hang it as well. So on farmhouse hooks, I actually hung it on my front door. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed these easy farmhouse DIYs from Dollar Tree. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song